This right here is SoFi, and I want you guys to keep your eyes on it. But you see this pennant? This right here is sheer pattern and validation. This initially was expected to go up, but it didn't. And one thing I told my students last week when we were looking at the charts, I said, look, watch that RSI and a number of other indicators. We had our 9, our 20. I said we could probably expect some more downside, even though this pennant is presenting itself. We just might begin more downside before it pushes up. Because if you look further to the left of the charts, you will see that on SoFi, it gets iffy around that $18 level, 18.20, 18.30, 40, pushing up to those $19. Look to the left, go to the 4 hour, go to the daily, and you will see some heavy rejection around this area. And so we can definitely expect some downside, potentially to retest back down there, back to the $17 range before we can begin to kick back up. The RSI is kind of around 28, 29 at this very moment. So keep SoFi on your radar. It's a low cap, low risk, but you can have some damn good rewards. Normally, the more contracts, the more profits you can see. And of course, whatever strike price you select will heavily determine what your profits will look like. But keep your eye on SoFi. This shit is definitely going to be making its way back to those 20s. I've been trading SoFi since it was like $6, $7, okay? A couple of dollars. And I've been holding shares since it was a couple of dollars. So this is definitely one of those long-term investments that I look to continue to put into. But as far as trading, I also look to trade it, but this is one you gotta hold, let it do its thing so that you can see your best profit.